With just hours left in 2020, Rob, you may be thinking about how you're going to be ringing in the new year. But if your New Year's Eve plans involve attending a large gathering, health experts are pleading with you to think again. As the countdown to 2021 winds down and one of the biggest party nights of the year is upon us.
This is a call to say, not this year.
COVID-19 is spreading.
After Thanksgiving, we saw a bump. In December, we've been seeing another bump. This is one last chance to really prevent the last big impact from the holiday season.
Melissa Verrey, Deputy Director for Henrico County and Richmond City Health Districts, compares a typical New Year's Eve gathering to the perfect storm of things that could put you at risk.
The more people in your group, especially if you're there for a long time, you're drinking alcohol, you're hanging out, maybe it's loud, so you're speaking loud, you're singing because it's New Year's. All of these things together will increase your chance of exposure from any of the people who might have COVID in that group.
To avoid that exposure, Verrey recommends that you don't attend large gatherings and instead that you celebrate at home. If you do go out, which she does not recommend, do it in small groups. Keep the number you're exposed to minimized, stay outside, wear your mask, don't share food, and wash your hands.
And sometimes when you add alcohol to that, we lose track of all of those things. And this is not the time to do that.
With COVID cases on the rise, Verrey says she's worried about hospitals being able to manage the volume of patients. She hopes tonight, as the year comes to a close, you'll do your part.
And we're seeing increases in infections, we're seeing increases in hospitalizations, but we're seeing the light at the end of the tunnel. We have vaccine, we're rolling it out, it's coming. Now is not the time to make things worse. Now is the time to batten down and just ride this out.
And Verrey says right now in the Richmond metro area, we are seeing some of the highest numbers of COVID cases reported daily. She says the goal is to keep that trend from continuing.